I have lived several places over the years, but there's just quite nothing like this coastline. There's just no place like home.
What do I like about living in North Wales? I think it's beautiful, everywhere's accessible. We've got the mountains, the sea. Along the motorways we can go into the big cities if we need to.
North Wales is my first choice as an area to train in. I'd worked here before and knew that I liked the area. I liked the proximity to the great outdoors, the closeness of Snowdon and to the coast, but also the proximity to Manchester, Liverpool and Chester.
Well, just look at the scenery around you and the culture. I'm just proud to be Welsh.
I enjoy living in this area. I live only 10 miles away, and within 10 miles you can go from sort of coastal sort of urban area into the hills and the valleys and the trees and the mountains, and I certainly enjoy that change within a very short distance. There are lots of things to do. Obviously you've got to be interested in things like hill walking and mountaineering and sailing and things like that, but there are also, you know, the city's only 30-35 minutes away.
I've got 2 young children, so there's actually lots for the kids to do as well, and the schools are great in Wrexham.
Living in North Wales is great. You've got beautiful scenery and you're never too far away from anything exciting happening.
Everyone says to me, why would you move from Somerset to come to Wales? But Somerset's beautiful, but Wales is just as nice.
For many years, as a grown up here, I took it for granted. It was only really when I came back from my travels, really, that I sort of saw it for what it was.
North Wales is a wonderful place to live. You can drive 20 minutes and you can be in the Snowdonia Range. You can drive 25 minutes the other way and you're on your way to Chester, which is a beautiful historic town. And if I really want to go and spend lots of money, then it's just an extra 20 minutes and I'm in Manchester or Liverpool. So everything that I need is around me.
So I'd say living around here is one of the best places to be, really.